All right, welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. I'm Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a Forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. We are adding Forex to this channel. It's not going to be crypto exclusively as it has been for the last year. This is close to my year anniversary. I think last week or the week before. So yeah, we've been going a year. I've actually been going longer than that, but I really started it up. Really cranking them out videos every day or almost every day last April. So pretty cool stuff. So thank you all of you who are supporting me and who have subscribed and comment on the videos every day. Some of you are just so faithful to say something encouraging every day. It just keeps me motivated, keeps me wanting to serve you guys, and so thanks so much. Appreciate it. That being said, I just want to show you, Bitcoin's not been moving. It's just been going sideways, up and down, up and down. But man, the Forex is always moving. Let me just show you a trade I took this morning. That took me all of maybe an hour or so. Basically, let's see. I basically got about 32 pips in here, and it took me about an hour and 4 minutes was where it was. This was a simple. I made a video on trading night school on Thursday, the other day, trading night school, and talked about session timing. Okay, so the session opened. New York opened at 7:30 right here. Had a little bit of we had to move down. I saw this. I saw this line and that line. Drew a trend line. Once we got the break and the retest of that, I was just a simple break and retest of a trend line entry, and I always shoot for 15 to 20 pips. If it gives me 30, great. And today I got 30. And then we had we came back. Basically, we came back to structure right here. We actually surpassed, just went past it for liquidity zone. We were in the oversold region. I took profit and let it go. So yeah, could this go down more? Yeah, it could, but that's not my trading style in the Forex, okay? So anyway, just want to share that with you and just say, hey, listen, there's a lot going on in the Forex. 32 pips is equivalent to, depending on how much you're trading, but if you're trading a standard lot, that's a $320 trade in an hour. So if you can make $320 in an hour and then go live your life, do that every day, that's a pretty good salary. Anyway, if you want to learn the Forex, come join the trading group. Descriptions down below. You just become a Patreon, and I'm walking people by the hand through learning the Forex as well as crypto. Love trading them both, but I like the Forex better. You don't have to watch the charts all day. There's no FOMO. There's lots of reasons to, and it's built around session timings. So you learn to trade around timings. You're going to be doing great. You learn to read the liquidity zones, supply and demand zones. You're gonna really do well. So there's a lot to learn. I'm teaching that in trading night school as well on Thursday night. So this Thursday night at what is it, 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central Time. We'll spend an hour and we're learning the Forex together. So that's what we're doing on Thursday. So that's coming up. All right. With that being said, let me make sure I'm talking. There we go. I felt like my mic was off for some reason. All right, let's jump into the chart. We're going to look at BTC today. That was what we're just looking at is the euro dollar pair, and actually looking for another short here. We've got some hidden bearish divergence. I'll probably go ahead and go short here pretty soon once we finish this video. All right, so that being said, let's get to BTC here. I think BTC is coming down. Let me explain why I think it's coming down. How far it's coming down, I don't know. The count has not revealed itself to us, guys, so I'm waiting for the count to reveal itself. But a couple things I just want to show you very, very quickly and highlight on the chart for you. First off here, let's see. We got a three-wave move up to here. Okay, this is if you see it, and it's important in Elliott Wave to understand whether you're dealing with a 5-wave or a 3-wave. Okay, that's a 3-wave move. That's a beautiful ABC of 535. You got an ending diagonal here, which is just gorgeous. Okay. So that's a very, very nice move there. Okay, looks 3-wave-ish to me. It could be part of an ending diagonal that's being forming right now, but we'll have to wait and see. The next move after that, and this is what I do to analyze the chart, the next move after it, it looks like a 5-wave move. Now let's see if it measures like a 5-wave move here. So let's take a peek here. I think it does, but let's see. There's 1, 2. No, it does not measure like it. Man, let me see here. Smaller time frame. Is that one? I don't think it changes things much. No. Yeah, guys. barely wicks the 1618. I don't know. It looks like 5 waves for sure to me, but it doesn't quite measure as impulsively as I would like to see it. But again, those are guidelines, not rules. Okay, so that kind of looks like a 5 wave move to me. And then what we have here is a nice 3 wave move to the up. You can see that I've already got the fibs on here. Right here, boom, boom, boom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Looks like it's finished. Came to the 127, which is a corrective fib level. So those are the things that I'm seeing right now. So this is a big question mark right here. That wave's a question mark. Is that an impulse? Is that a corrective wave? Looks 5 wave-ish to me with a 3 wave pullback. With that being said, if that's a 5 wave move, 3 wave pullback, expecting another 5 wave move to the downside. Okay, that's the way I'm looking at this. Okay, again, I could be wrong, but I'm just sharing with you from my perspective the way I look at a chart. Okay, and what I would be looking for as a trader. Okay, other traders look at the chart different ways, and they're looking for other stuff. Right? I'm just sharing. That's what I'm doing on my channel, just sharing what I'm looking for. It may or may not happen, and I may or may not be right. So I always want to be clear with that. And don't forget, this isn't financial advice as well. All right, so we would expect it at least to come down, guys, at least to come down in the immediate term. If I'm right in my analysis, if all my conclusions that I just shared with you are correct, it's a big if, guys. It's a big if. Then we would expect it to come down at least to the 1-to-1 extension, 76.52, to maybe the 127 extension, 76. That's if it comes down correctively, a 535, and then we have another up move to go. Okay, that would be one way to think about it. Okay, now if price makes its way, guys, if price makes its way down here to the 1618 and closes beyond it and just gives me a little pullback with continuation, that's going to be more like a 5 wave impulse, and then we would expect lower lows. Okay, so that's the way I'd be thinking about that most likely. Okay, now how does that fit in the grand scheme of things here? You know, this could be a WXY in the being formed right here. W, that 3 wave is an X, and this 3 wave is going to be a Y wave. That's a possibility, guys, right there, and that would actually be a 3 wave move rather than a 5 wave move. So the Y would come here to the $7,600 level most likely, and then we would have a move to the upside from there, if that's a WXY. Now, if this is reversal zone, okay, let's zoom out just a little bit. Wow, that's messy, isn't it? Let me see if I can get rid of some of this stuff on the chart here. There we go. All right, right. Come on, one more. There it is. Okay, so if this is actually kind of Barting on us, and we're getting straight up, getting some kind of a Bart Simpson haircut there, and we're going to get a move down, then this could be reversal zone. But I don't know. I don't feel like it's reversal yet, and I don't feel like this is a Bart. I feel like we got the steady pump to the upside, and it's kind of getting everybody really, really bullish. I'm expecting a wick up here to $8,100 or so. That's what I'm kind of expecting market makers to do. Come up here, snag this liquidity that's up in this region right here, and then take it down. That'd be what I would expect. I don't know if it's going to happen, but certainly looking at the smaller time frame wave structure, it's possible. So again, I'm just giving you some analysis on the smaller time frame wave structures here. We could get a little move down like that and then see that wick to the upside, and then we come down here. Where would that fit in the grand scheme of the larger count? Well, I've got a potential count here, guys, where this is actually the end here of the 3rd wave of a ending diagonal, potentially. I don't know if that's the case or not, but it's a consideration to at least think about, to at least consider. All right, so we got an A wave, a B wave, and then this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. We look for a 4 wave to the downside, and then a 5th wave, and that may be how we get up to that liquidity zone here. We might have a wick, an overthrow of that guy, get up close to the $8,900 target that I've been looking for, and then we come down. So that would be a possibility as well. So understand that those are all some possibilities. That's the way I'm thinking. Again, as always, up or down is the direction, up or down is the direction, but what is the structure of the wave telling me? Is it giving me any clues of which way it's headed? So those are the clues that I see. Nothing definitive here. Just wanted to share those thoughts with you today and see if they help you along the way. Okay, so back to the small time frame. I'm kind of looking for this. This is what I'm watching for first. I'm not looking for a straight up move from here. I'm actually looking for another pullback to about 7,600. I want to see how it comes down. If it comes down beyond that 1618 level, let me remind you of that what that level is. Okay, if we get beyond 75.83, guys, if we kind of start moving beyond 75.80, 75.50 in that range, guys, we're looking more impulsive to the downside. We might actually be coming down to our trend line down here, okay, towards the $7,300 range in that ballpark. So that's a possibility. Keep that in mind, okay. So yeah, not sure what's going to happen here, but those are the clues that I'm looking for, and that's what I'm watching in the immediate term. You guys have a fantastic day. Hope your trading goes well. Be smart, be safe with your money, and have a great day. Let's check on EU right before I leave here. Not quite ready, I don't think yet. We'll have to wait and see. Sometimes basically when we want to trade a continuation pattern, I draw a trend line right there, wait for it to break, and go in. If it comes back to that trend line and goes beyond it, then we get out of the trade. It's a really, really low risk trade. So I want to wait for that. I'm probably going to wait for this to come up to this little structure line right there. So I'm going to put a structure line right there, come up here and tag that, go short. And if it continues on past that structure, I'll cut it so the stop is really, really tight. Okay, so that's the way I think about that. There's an EU trade for you guys. So yeah, hope that helps you. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.